So it took about 4 hours to do 8 feet of freaking flooring. So I'm gonna go jump off my roof now. Time has finally come to where I get to, let's move the couch back. The couch is still going away. It's only here for now till we throw it away. All right, so I'm finally able to install the floor in the hallway in the second bedroom, which I'm excited about. I'm super excited about, because now, after getting the floor in the second bedroom, the rest of the furniture gets to be put in there and set up, which also means I no longer need to live out of a suitcase. Let's see, what do I need? I need the vacuum. I'll need that. I will need... What else do I need? I will need the brad nailer. I use a 3 amp for the brad nailer. I will need the multi-job tool. So I'll need that. I will need the radio. I will need this, the blower. Do I need a drill? Yes. Always, if you're doing a job, always bring a drill. I want to use this one. So let's use that. And then I'll just handle. Actually, let's go get that right now. Then I have this drill. Not brushless. Okay, put that away. This battery over here. This camera is looking very dusty. Let's take care of that. Drills. I want to see if it's true. I do not know what it's called, but I saw in the video to where he just pushed this in all the way and it locks into place. Let's see if it's true. Let's open the truck a little bit more. It's true. Oh my God, see, the truck is loose and it's locked into place. Focus in on that. That's for the brushless drills only though. That's awesome. So that's in there good, and you could lock it. Perfect. That's awesome. I know real men shave this with a razor, but if you have a pencil sharpener, might as well just use it. Just like that. Perfect. Wondering which one I should use. I just got this one, so I think I'm gonna use this one. I recently just did get this, but unfortunately, I do not have any nails yet. For certain cuts, you will need this. My Venom. Hi, puppy.
Oh, why are you smiling? Are you smiling for me? Here, paw. Here, paw.
Don't you worry, I'll take you outside, okay? We'll go outside. Yes, we will. Definitely need a radio. And I need these. I need all of these right next to me. The brad nailer, a vacuum, the blower, the multi-job tool, a drill, and a jigsaw. White, yes, oh, last night. It's now ready. So as you can see, everything it's ready. Painted the closet, painted the ceiling. I was mistaken. This tool stays in the garage because after each cut that I do, I gotta blow myself off so I don't track all that sawdust in the house. Good boy, puppy. You just relax. Let's see how I do. Because what I gotta do is I gotta cut this like that. So, no matter what, I'm gonna have to cut this, and I might have to cut this door stop. That should be good. Perfect. Just like that. All right, so after hours, not hours, after like about 30 to 40 minutes, almost an hour, I finally got the shape of the piece that I wanted. And yes, is this the one? No, this is not the one. This is the shape that I needed. It took me a couple of boards at about 40 minutes, but I finally got the shape that I needed. Cut this to a certain length. Good, and cut this to a certain length. That's good. See, now I got my curve that I gotta do, and I'm gonna do that with the jigsaw, which is freehand. No, I can't. What I should have done was went this way. Alrighty, attempt number 4. Yeah. Attempt number 4. Then do this to a certain point. And do this to a certain point. Now let's try this one more time. Where's my jigsaw? There's my jigsaw. Alright, let's see if I can cut this nicely. See, then I do that, then the other half is done this way. And that should be my cut. Right there. Alright, so after countless times of modifying, I finally got the piece to fit just right, and it locks into place. So, and it's smooth. So it took me, it is 12/18. It took me a long time to do this one line. That much space from there to there. And I got it to frickin' go. Now that right there is gonna have to be, that's the next piece that's gonna be a. Alright, so let's do the next cut. You know what? Since I got new batteries since last time I did a floor, I'm gonna use my HP batteries. Let's see what the 9 amp hour battery will do to this. Yeah, I will say that is a lot more powerful. Wow. Alright, I did manage to get the cut, but I do not like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to trace this and make that into a curve. But I did get it though, luckily. So I'm going to do this one more time. I do not like this board anyways because it has the messed up die. Those the spots, I do not want that. So this board was trash anyways because of that. So yeah, I will be doing this board one more time. Not bad, it looks pretty good though. Looks pretty good. See, and one thing I wanted to point out, the proper tool for the proper job. I did not have the tools that I had before. So it's too late now. I have not taken any of this out because I don't want to mess anything up in there. Compare that to this. What a difference if you have the right tool for the right job, which I did not have the tools that I have now back then when I did that. But it's okay though. I'll figure something out to cover that. But yeah, it's looking good so far. It's looking good. And do a curve with that one. So yes, this I need off. That. So let's see if that's what I need. I hope it is. So let's see if that's what I need. So just getting this one line done sucks because it's one with the hardest cuts, and it sucks. It sucks, but you only gotta do it once. Alright, after many hours of dealing with that, I got around the door frame and it looks good. It looks good. Make sure my workspace is decent. Remember, I'm trying to prevent as little sawdust in the house as possible.